Hello friends, welcome to removeload.com. Today we'll discuss about which backend language choose for the career. This is for the fresher. So, if there is a fresher, he is doing SE, is doing the BTech, MCA, BCA, the number of professional course are doing. So, which backend language choose for his or her career? So, I will tell that there is some factors. Then I will explain different language information. So choose according you because it's depend on the interest. So let's explain factors to the consider. The first one is market demand. If there is a market demand, looks at the job market in your region, say globally for which language are most in the demand. So firstly, you have to priority. This is what is the market demand. Second, your interest. So choose a language that align with your career goals. Example, web development, mobile apps, data science. So which one you have to go? You have to go. You have to go on web development, mobile apps, yeah, data science. Ecosystem and tools. Some language have more mature frameworks and library for specific tasks. And the last one is learning curve. Depend on as like if you want to learn the PHP, so it's very easy. If you want to learn the Java, so something is typical. So depend on the learning curve also according your choice. So the first language is Node.js. This is the part of the JavaScript. For the backend, we can use Node.js. So why choose Node.js? JavaScript is widely used both on the front end and backend. So JavaScript use in front end backend via Node.js. If you are already familiar with the front end development using JavaScript, learning Node.js for backend can provide full stack solution. Suppose you you are good in JavaScript. So there is a front end framework as like Angular, React.js, Vue.js. So this is the front end. But if you want to learn as like Node.js, so you can be a full stack. And use cases, web application, microservices, real-time apps like chat apps, games. So in the games and chats, we can use Node.js. Demand, high demand for the full stack developer proficient in JavaScript and Node.js. Now in the market, so Node.js as a backend and front end, anyone as like React, Angular, Vue.js. So it's good for you. Second one, Python. Python is also famous in the market. So why choose Python? Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it beginner friendly. It has vast ecosystem with the library for the web development as like Django, Flask, data science, AI, and automation. Every time, everywhere you are talking about AI and anything. So you have to learn the Python. Python is most important for the AI and machine learning language development. Use cases, web development, you can use in the web development, machine learning, automation, data science. Demand, high demand in data science, machine learning, and web development fields. So it's also most important Python. The third language is Java. Why choose Java? Java is a solid choice for building large scale, high performance application. Suppose if the project is very large scale. So I think the project is in Java, you don't have. So we are talking about this time in Java. So high performance application. It is widely used in enterprises, Android app development, and the system that require strong security and scalability. If you are talking about there is a security, then we use the Java. And we want as like large application, then we choose Java. Use cases, enterprises applications, Android development, large scale web apps, financial system, mostly loads of financial systems you are using Java. Demand, high in enterprise level application and Android development. 6, PHP. PHP is basically used for the web development. And PHP as a backbone of the web development for many years, while its popularity has waned in some areas. It remains a top choice for building dynamic websites, especially with the CMS platform like WordPress. WordPress is a part of the PHP and it's a CMS. Use cases, content management system, e-commerce website, and web apps. If you want to as like uh, CMS, blogging, you want as like blogging website, then you can choose the PHP and you can choose the WordPress. If you want to small business as like on the e-commerce, then you choose PHP and you can choose CMS as like Magento. Use case content management system, e-commerce website, web apps. Demand moderate with focus on the web development. The next language is Golang. Golang is basically developed by the Google. Go is a fast, statically typed language developed by Google. It's excellent in performance and concurrency, making it a great choice for the cloud-based application and microservices. If you work on the cloud-based application, then you can use the Golang. But there is a demand is not high. The demand is less in the Golang language. And the last one, there is a C sharp. Why choose C Sharp, ASP.NET Core? C Sharp is a versatile language developed by the Microsoft. It's widely used for developing web applications, window application, and games using Unity. You can use web applications, window application, and Unity as like games. ASP.NET Core is its modern cross-platform framework. Use cases enterprise application as like Java is enterprise applications, and you can use C sharp also for the enterprise application. Window application, games, web development. Demand high in enterprise and games development with Unity. So I have explained each and every language which is famous in the market, so you can choose according your choice. But as my thinking, you can choose any two language as like prefer from my side, as like the first one is Node.js, because if you are learning the Node.js, so you have to learn the JavaScript. If you learn the JavaScript, so you can work on the React.js and Angular, yeah, Vue.js. So there is a lots of jobs in the market, so you can grab easily. Second one is Python. Python is also most important, and everything is going to AI. So Python is also important and you can get a job. Thank you so much. Thank you.